Assalamualaikum friends, here is 14 music flare bundle and these files in Photoshop, in PSD, INDD, and here is party 7 here and 7 here. These are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. Okay, all password in this app. Here is rock flare. Import your image here. For example, open in Photoshop, write your text here, background color, unlock layer, and here's unlock. Extract folder, unlock, double click here, you see you can change any color. Okay, click here, you need image, this one, drag here, no, enter Ctrl S, and you see our images here. Write anything, change color. Okay, for example, black, pink or green, depend your own choice. No, and next is newspaper poster. You can import your image and write anything. Same thing is here old vintage music. Wow, these for legend. And here is rock newspaper style flare. Import your own image. Next is party flash sound. Import your unique photo or you can import anything. Okay, write anything. Here is a background, you see. Okay, and you can import image here. Okay, now electrophist. Wow, simply import your image and write party time and date. I hope these flares are useful for you. Download this app for password. Allah Hafiz.